Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10e, and let me show you how to add an event to your calendar. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick the calendar, which is here, and now select the day on which you would like to add this event. So let me pick, for example, 23rd of March, so it's Saturday, and then tap on plus over here. Now you have to type the title. So for example, let me enter birthday, then you can add some pic over here. As you can see, there are plenty of them. You can select the one that suits mostly, maybe emotions. And let me pick, for example, the heart. Now you can change the color of your event, so it can be one from these colors. I will pick yellow. Then you have to select the start hour and the end hour, so you just have to select the time. It can be, for example, 6 to 7, or you can pick all day. So if this event is for the whole day, just pick the second option. You can also tap on repeat, so if you would like to have the repeat of the alarm, it can be daily or weekly. Then you can add the location, add some notes, or even attach a file. So once everything is set up, just tap on save. And now, as you can see, you have the permanent event named birthday on every Saturday between 6 and 7. And you can add some one-time event, for example on 24th, just tap on plus. Let's go back to April 24 plus. Now just enter hard reset, let's add some picture, then change the color to green one, and pick all day, and repeat never. It will just appear in your calendar, so none alert, and then tap on save. And now, as you can see, here is the hard reset alert. So that's it. You can now add every event to your calendar, so you won't forget about none of them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.